Hi, I'm Alex Thatcher. I'm one of the lawyers here at GE Aviation. So we've got the students here looking at some plain English drafting techniques. They're going through some live examples right now.
My name is Abdurrahman Sufi and I am a law student at Brunel University. I am currently in my second year and I'm here at GE Aviation for an insight day. We've so far just covered drafting. We're here to get a better insight into working in-house, which is a relatively new development in legal careers. It's been interesting to hear about the highs and lows of the various members of staff there, working and progressing within their legal careers. Hopefully one day working here myself or working in a similar environment.
Hi, I'm Sophia D'Souza. I'm a second year law student and I'm currently here at GE Aviation for an Insight Day. But we're currently learning about practical skills that you don't learn in the classroom, like how to go through briefings, attention for detail, which is key as a law student, and like how to draft documents.
Hi there, so I'm Tristan Chubb. I am the legal team leader for GE Aviation in Europe. We have had the selection of Brunel students join us here in the aviation offices today for an insight day where we've taken them through some basic drafting exercises, some legal skills training. We've tried to give them a little bit of an insight into what life is like in-house. We've had some of our colleagues in the US join us by telepresence, and one of the business guys, senior executive for the Europe region, come in and give a pretty interesting discussion of how an engine works, how airframers work, how our sales team work, and what he feels about working with lawyers. It's been an absolutely brilliant day.
Hi, I'm a final year law student at Brunel. My name is Beth and we've just been with GE Aviation for the day. An insight day with the senior lawyers from their legal team, talking us through drafting proposals, drafting contracts, the skills that are required to be able to do that, along with advising clients within purchasing. We've had a conference call with the American team with GE. We've had a meeting with the senior salesperson of the team who talked us through the logistics of engines, aircrafts and how they work, something I didn't think I'd find interesting, but actually I think I did. Brunel are great for offering us these opportunities. If you're thinking of coming to Brunel, I can tell you now, they offer these all the time. You just got to grab it when you can. I'm really glad I came today.